Hello there, welcome to Missy's Kitchen PEI. My name is Missy and I am so happy that you're here with me today. We are going to be making Christmas crack, and it's just one of those little treats that when it's on your Christmas tray, it is going to be the first to go. This is very addicting. My children love this. I have to hide it from them just to have it at Christmas time. So let's jump into this recipe and I'll show you how I make my Christmas crack. So what you're gonna need for your Christmas crack is butter, brown sugar, chocolate chips of your choice. It does not matter what kind you choose, semi or milk chocolate, white chocolate, it does not matter. Whatever you like, that's what you can use. I have vanilla here, and I have crackers with the salted top, and I've also chopped up some pecans. This is not part of the recipe, but I like to have them on top of my Christmas crack. So you can use walnuts or you can just leave them plain. But I really do like the taste of the pecans. I have a saucepan, and I also have a cookie sheet that's covered in aluminum foil, and I've sprayed it with Pam just so the Christmas crack doesn't stick. So let's get started. Okay, so I'm just gonna start laying my crackers down. It's about 40 crackers, and I put them salt side down. I'm just going to lay them out on the cookie sheet. I prefer the Premium Plus, but unfortunately they were all out at the store. But these will have to do, and they're cheaper, so just might get a few broken ones in here, which is not good, but we move on. These ones don't seem too bad. I'll probably need another sleeve, a few out of the sleeve anyways. I will grab that. And just break some and put them at the end. And along the side. It's not going to matter if they're broken or not, I guess, by the end of this recipe. But I do like my pan to be covered. Okay, so that's it for the crackers, and we'll just set those aside. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to add our butter into our saucepan and our brown sugar. And I've got my burner on a high heat, but I'm just going to turn it down to about 8.5 until that butter melts. And just keep an eye on it. Stir. It's such an easy recipe, and it's so good. So we're just going to let that butter melt. Like I said, keep your eye on it. The timer on for 4 minutes, and we're just going to let it go. You're not going to stir it, you're just going to let this boil for 4 minutes. We have about 1:35 left. And it's going to be very, very hot, so please be careful. Smells wonderful. My kids are going to be so happy when they get home after work today and find out that I've made this. Ten seconds left. Okay, and what I'm going to do is just add a splash of vanilla. Be very careful. And then I'm just going to remove it from the heat and bring my tray of crackers over here, and I'll show you how I cover them. Okay, so you're just going to take your hot caramel and be very careful, and you're just going to pour it over top of your crackers. Make sure we get all of it out. And I'm just going to gently spread it over the crackers. Try to cover them all. That one's trying to escape. Try to do it as even as you can because it is starting to cool a bit. Okay, so we're going to put this in our oven. Like I said, it's 350, and we're going to put it in for about 5 minutes. So just keep your eye on it. Set a timer if you can, and we'll be back when they're out of the oven. Okay, so this is right out of the oven, and what you want to do is start to sprinkle your chocolate chips over. Try to spread them as evenly as you can. Just let that sit for a few minutes. Now I'm going to add a few semi-sweet as well because I like lots of chocolate, but you really don't need to add any more chocolate chips. And we'll just let that melt. Like I said, about 5 or 10 minutes. Okay, so I'm just going to start to spread, just to work that chocolate in. You want to get it over all of the crackers. I like lots of chocolate on top of mine. Okay, that looks pretty good to me. And then I'm just going to take my pecans and just put them on the top. Like I said, you can use walnuts. You could use candied cherries if you wanted to. That would be festive. Coconut, whatever you like. Or just leave them with just the chocolate. That looks pretty good to me. So I'm going to go ahead and put these in the fridge for roughly 10 minutes, just until the chocolate sets, and then we'll come back and I'll show you what the next step is. Okay, so our Christmas crack is out of the fridge and it's all hardened. So what you're going to do is just lift up your foil and just start to crack it. Just break it apart. Big or small pieces, whatever you like. I'm going to go finish this and I will be right back. So here's our Christmas crack. I just broke it up, put it on the plate, and it really is that easy. I hope you try this recipe at home, and I hope it becomes one of your favorites at Christmas time. And if you have not seen my other channel, All Things Missy, please come on over and say hi. I'm doing a giveaway over there until the 24th of December, and it's a nice little gift that I'm giving away. So I hope to see you over there. But that's it for now, and until next time, bye for now. So good. These are not gonna last, I can tell you that.